I've got the 2 sodas here and this scoring pad. These are both fresh, unopened, and they're at about room temperature. That may have an effect. Chemical reactions tend to work faster at warmer temperatures. Now we can see on these labels that both of them have phosphoric acid, but the Pepsi also has citric acid. I don't see that listed on the Coke. Okay, so I'm starting with the front wheel, and I'm going to use the Coke on that, and I'll use the Pepsi on the rear. Okay, looks like it's starting to get some results. Put a little more on. Yeah, I can see it working quite a bit. There's quite a lot of rust on this rim. But yeah, I think if you just kept working at this, you know, you get somewhere with it. There's still some pitting in there. I don't know if I'll be able to do anything about that, because this is a bike somebody left sitting outside. I don't think they ever stored this bike inside. So now at the rear, I've got a brand new pad. There's no Coke on this. It is going to get Pepsi. This is regular Pepsi. The Coke was regular Coke. Some people say you can use the diet version. It is not as sticky, apparently. Yeah, I'm getting results with this. It seems to work about the same as the Coke. So I don't think it matters which one you use. So some people might want to know if just plain water will do anything. And actually, just plain water with this scoring pad is also getting the rust off. I don't know if it really works as well. Apparently the acids in the soda help make the process work a little faster, maybe a little better. So I'll go ahead and do some more work with the Pepsi. I think it may work a little faster, maybe a little better than just plain water, but also the the abrasiveness of this pad is very effective as well. But in any case, you should probably at least rinse with water. And probably getting the soda into these spoke nipples isn't really that great either. I'll go ahead and try a little more of the Coke. But I think it works pretty much the same as the Pepsi. If you leave it sit on for longer, it might eat away at it a little more. But yeah, a very badly rusted rim. And I've had about enough fun. This is not a really important bike anyway. I'll just spray all that off there. Okay, so there you have it. Pepsi, Coke, plain water, and abrasive pad. And if you really want to do all this work, then you could make the rims look a lot better than they did.